Welcome back to English for Everyone. In today's lesson, we are going to learn kitchen utensils and appliances. Fridge, freezer, dishwasher, washing machine, stove, oven, range hood, microwave, toaster, coffee maker, blender, juicer, waffle maker, glass, cup and saucer, cup, handle, saucer, mug, teapot, kettle, jug, frying pan, pot, a lid, saucepan or pot, wok, pressure cooker, dish rack, egg slicer, steamer, salad spinner, whisk, mixer, rolling pin, can opener, bottle opener, corkscrew, kitchen scissors, peeler, tongs, cleaver, chopsticks, meat tenderizer, spatula, ladle, mesh skimmer, cutlery, knife, fork, spoon, wooden spoon, measuring cup, bowl, plate, grater, potato masher, garlic press, colander, strainer, lighter, spice rack, spice container, salt shaker, chopping board, mortar and pestle, mortar, pestle, funnel, tray, baking tray, muffin tin, cake pan, apron, oven glove, bread basket, kitchen towels, paper towel, paper towel stand, napkin, fridge, freezer, dishwasher, washing machine, stove, oven, range hood, toaster, microwave, coffee maker, blender, juicer, waffle maker, glass, cup and saucer, mag, teapot, kettle, jug, frying pan, pot, saucepan or pot, wok, pressure cooker, dish rack, egg slicer, steamer, salad spinner, whisk, mixer, rolling pin, can opener, bottle opener, corkscrew, kitchen scissors, peeler, tongs, cleaver, chopsticks, meat tenderizer, spatula, ladle, mesh skimmer, cutlery, knife, fork, spoon, wooden spoon, measuring cup, bowl, plate, grater, potato masher, garlic press, colander, strainer, lighter, spice rack, spice container, salt shaker, chopping board, mortar and pestle, funnel, tray, baking tray, muffin tin, cake pan, apron, oven glove, bread basket, kitchen towels, paper towel stand, napkin. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.